All right. Now we got this big here. And this thing I've never actually taken apart before, so it's gonna be exciting. There's a screw thing here. Looks like it comes out. Okay. And there's one back here. Looks like it comes out. Okay. And there's something right here. Looks like it's broken. Handle. Okay, then we should be able to take this off. Except for that door thing. Okay. Get that off. There, okay. So there's some things here. Look like that take off the burner assembly. And that's the thing. That's where the wick is, and that thing is dirty, nasty. No wonder it smells like crap. I don't know, I'll take these screws out. See where that gets us. It's got a bunch of Korean writing on it. Okay. Okay, you gotta open that up. Then you're down to the burner assembly. So I'm gonna vacuum around this before I open it up. Okay, now let's index that off really good. Now, it looks like it has a thing there that allows this bottom plate to come off for cleaning, which you want to clean that because that's where your air comes in. Usually these turn and then they come out. There we go. Oh yeah. She's nasty. She all kinds of dead worms and shit in her teeth. Wow. Let me get a wire brush and kind of go over this a little bit. There we go, that's like 100 times better. It's not perfect, but it's good enough. So, now we need to take this back up here. And I see there's a little cotter pin thing here. That's for the igniter. And that's supposed to go down there. Okay. Okay. So that went together fine. We'll just clean this off real good. I'm pretty sure this wick is gonna be too big for this heater. I'm definitely sure it is. Okay, this has got these little latches, so you can see that it's got a little latch under it, so you don't have to take the wing nuts all the way off. Okay. And this wick, I'm pretty sure it's too big. I mean, it's got the one thing there, and the one part there, and 2 parts there. Let's see, let's flatten it completely out and see the difference in the size. Yeah, this wick's too big. So I'm guessing this must not be a Kero-Sun Omni 105MN or R, because that's not that much bigger than my other heater. Okay. So now I gotta find the right wick for it. So I'll be back. Alright, so I finally got the wick in for this guy. I think it's the right one. This is a 5B. It was made in the UK. This, I went by the Toyotomi number KSA 105D. And there's an E, and there's an M through an N, and there's a whole bunch of different ones. But this one fits the D and the A, I believe. Well, it fits Kero-Sun Omni 105D 1978 model only, and Toyoset KO5 105D 1978 model only. So this fits. This is a 1978 model. Since I was 4 years old when this thing was made. So let's take the burner out and see. Let's see if she fits. If not, I'll have to try again, but I think this is it. This is made in England. There are some pins around it. And there is some pin holes. And then we'll stick it down in here and see if we can get it in the pin hole. There we go. That one's in. That one's in. Okay, that's a fit. That one's a fitter. Alright. So what I'm going to do is just kind of clean this off a little bit too. Oh, looks like I think I put it in upside down. Okay, let's turn it around. We'll put that on. And we'll slide her down on here. And there's a spot for that to come out too. I thought there was. Yeah, this little knob has to go in this little notch. There we go. She's in there. Okay, now we'll put these little things back in. Okay, and then this thing. Which goes on here somehow. There you go. Okay. It's got a little notch in the front where that handle is. Okay, looks good to me. Okay, so the next thing we gotta do is put these in actually, and I gotta remember how or where they go. I gotta remember. There's 3 of them. There's the other one. Okay. There should be another one on this side. Now, this heater went down on this tray. There, okay, now we gotta put some WD-40 in that hole. There's a little tiny hole down here. Okay, that keeps that from sliding off. So now, we're ready to put this on. I need to get some new mica windows for this. They're kind of starting to deteriorate. But they're still intact for now, so I'm running them. Okay, run that one bolt. Then we gotta put these in. Okay, now we gotta start putting our things on top. First is our burner assembly. That has to go in here. The spring part towards the front door. Then this has to go in. Then this has to go on. Two bottom bolts there. That's the hook on here. There's these little hooks in it. On there now. And this goes in. And our handle goes out. Alright, we're ready to light it up. It's been soaking for a little while off camera actually, so this should be good. Now this one, basically the way this works is you have this thing, and that opens up the wick, and then you shut it off, you just pull it back and let it go. Let me show you that closer up. So this thing basically opens that up, so you can light it and burn it, and then shut it off. You just go like that. And also, if you tilt it, it should shut off. Yep. So, like I said, we should be ready to light this sucker. So, we grab a match. There we go. Now we'll let her heat up and we'll see how she does. Okay, she's burning. I really don't smell anything off of it. Smells like it's burning clean. That's good. I got another heater up and going because we're going to be hitting the single digits and sub-zero digits before long here in that later half of January through February. So this will help me to keep the garage extra warm when I'm out here working. And then I'm going to probably replace the wick in that other one because it's starting to flicker a little bit. And that's one of the ways you can tell if these are going bad, because they'll be flickering like a part of the flame. That means the wick's getting bad. It's not stinking yet, but it's definitely time. So I got the wick for that too, and then I will order an extra wick for each of these just to have on hand since they don't stock them locally, and we'll be set. Anyway, I'll talk to y'all later. This is Tom, your frugal prepper.